If you're stuck at home and you've run out of Larabars and you just want to make some really quick at home, I can show you how to do that with just a few simple ingredients. Let's get started right now. Hi, I'm Kenny Loy. I'm a certified nutritionist. You will not believe how easy these Larabars are to make at home. And we're going to make these right now. These are truly raw almonds. It's very difficult to find them truly raw because even the almonds you find in health food and grocery stores in the bin claim to be raw but are actually pasteurized. We got 25 pounds of them from a group buy through Green Smoothie Girl. We bought them in the fall and they were delivered in the winter. Soaking nuts and seeds removes the enzyme inhibitors and oxalates that can give us digestive issues. It awakens the enzymes and becomes even healthier. If you're not using them immediately, you can dehydrate them and eat them for a snack, or use them dry in these Larabars. We use them wet for this recipe.
We're making lemon date nut bars today. To enhance the lemon flavor, we're including the zest of the lemon. The lemon peel contains 5 to 10 times more vitamins than the lemon inside. The peel contains more fiber, calcium, potassium, and vitamin C. We're also juicing the lemon to give the Larabars a fresh, tart taste along with the sweetness from the dates. They make a great combination, and the sea salt and almonds add a little bit of savory to the mix. Look in the description below to see the full recipe. Blend the almonds, wet or dry, until they are coarsely chopped. This will give the bars a nice crunch to contrast the chewy dates. Don't process the almonds too long though, because you don't want them to turn into almond flour or butter. Stick around until the end to see both methods to make these date nut bars. Now mix all the ingredients and process into a sticky dough that holds together well. The first method is to press the mixture into a pan lined with parchment paper. Just press it down very tightly and compactly. Then we'll put it into the freezer for a few hours and come back to it. The second method is to press it into candy molds. Any shape will do, but we want to make them into candy bar shapes. You can even make them into bite-sized shapes for the kids. What is your favorite Larabar flavor? Let us know in the comments below. Then we carefully remove them onto a dehydrator sheet. You might have to straighten up the bars a little bit. If you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button. It would help us out a lot. Now we put them into the dehydrator. We use the Larabar and highly recommend it. And make sure you have the temperature at about 105 degrees. It will take them about 8 hours, maybe more, to fully dry and become firm like a Larabar. We still recommend keeping them refrigerated until you're ready for them, but they'll be fine out of the fridge for you to take to work for a snack. These turned out nice and firm. Don't they look like a Larabar? Be sure to download our free 5-day meal plan in the description below. It contains 16 delicious raw vegan recipes. Now let's return to the frozen mixture. Remove it gently from the parchment paper and cut it into bar-sized pieces or any size that works for you. These turned out really well. Since this was a wet mixture, we suggest keeping them in the freezer until you want them. The texture will be perfect right out of the freezer. They're so good.
Okay, it's time for the taste test. It's very delicious and fresh. the lemon zest and the lemon juice reminds me of springtime, plus the fact it's got lots of vitamin C, which we all need right now. So go to your kitchen and whip up a batch, you won't regret it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you don't miss any future videos. We upload videos every week with healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet. Thanks for watching.